Hey guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q&A. First question is, what I want to know is how you get all the stuff and for how much. I can never find stuff like you have. Okay, so I don't give out my cost of goods. That's just something I just don't do. Other YouTubers do it. Other resellers do it. That's just something I just don't tell you guys. As far as how I get all the stuff that I get, I go sourcing. I go to thrift stores. I do online sourcing. I don't just go to thrift stores around me. I do travel. Sometimes we travel up to 2.5 hours away from us. So yeah, we go all over. You said you can never find stuff like I have. Maybe try to expand your sourcing area if you can. Every area is going to have a different selection. You know, there are some thrift stores near me that I purposely stay away from because I can rarely find good things there. But yeah, maybe try expanding where you source and try online sourcing as well. Next question is, how does Poshmark pay? I mean, is it direct deposit or check in the mail? So I think you can get a check. I've never gotten a check because I don't want to wait for my money. I want my money now. Poshmark isn't a bank. That's like a tip that I have for resellers. Cash out as soon as you can. Don't leave your money sitting with Poshmark because they're not a bank. Actually, I gotta throw this in there. I was very impressed with Mercari the other day. I've started cross-listing on Mercari. I sold my old camera on Mercari and I just sold my old MacBook on Mercari as well. And I was able to do instant pay, which was literally instant, which is amazing. The thing that sucks is that it's up to $500 a month and I'm over that already. So that sucks. I was impressed because it was literally instant. So yeah, going back to Poshmark, you can get a check in the mail, I believe, or you can get direct deposit. I get direct deposit. Okay, so let's talk about what I mentioned in a previous video. Somebody had asked about Free People. There was an official Free People Poshmark closet. They wanted to know if it was officially run by Free People or if it was just random ass people. And in that video, I talked about how I saw someone, and I can't remember who the frick it was, and it's driving me insane, but I saw someone post a screenshot on Instagram of an email that they got from Free People Corporate, supposedly, allegedly, and it said that they have nothing to do with that closet. And then just the other day, I got bombarded with DMs on Instagram from you guys saying like, Vanessa, no, it is an official Free People closet. I'm like, what? So yeah, I guess somebody commented this. So another Poshmark got confirmation from Poshmark that the Free People closet is legit and they're allowing it. I was wondering because I'm not really into Free People and I don't follow that closet, and I got a notification of their latest drop. I actually got that notification too. I don't know if it was on the app or was it an email, but it said, check out these new Free People items dropping soon. And it was the Free People Poshmark closet, like the actual Poshmark name was Free People. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like we get conflicting things from Poshmark and it's to the point where it's really fucking annoying now and pissing me off, honestly. Although the first email was from Free People and they said that it wasn't official, but then Poshmark is saying it is official. So I don't know. Somebody else commented saying that they requested like a picture or more pictures of the actual item, and they said that they can because it's shipped from a warehouse. So that kind of points to it being an official Free People closet. I don't know. I honestly don't care. Free People sells like shit for me anyway. It's so oversaturated. I know obviously a lot of people like to sell it or try to sell it. But yeah, it doesn't really affect me. I have like a couple Free People pieces in my closet that have been sitting there and I'm just not going to pick up the brand anymore unless they are like unique pieces. So yeah, it doesn't really affect me too much. Somebody else was saying Levi's has an official Poshmark closet too. And did I see Anthropologie? Maybe there were a couple other companies that were supposedly, allegedly opening up Poshmark closets. So yeah, so I don't know. We shall see. Do you send personalized thank you notes with each sale? Absolutely not. I don't have time to. That's just an extra step. And I feel like thank you notes are a waste because like what's the person going to do with it? They're going to open it, read it, and throw it away. It's not like they're going to like put it on their fridge or display it. You know, it's just, it's a waste. I have little stickers that go on the items that says, thank you for supporting my business. And that's good enough. I used to do love notes back when I first started, but then as I grew, I don't have time. And then I just realized it's a waste. It is. I know, you know, some people appreciate it, but I would say like the majority of people don't. And again, I just think it's personally a waste. Poshmark should have no problem with cross-posting because whether I use another platform or sit there and do it manually, sellers are going to do it. Same with auto sharing, especially with auto sharing because it means money in their pocket, so why not encourage it? That one baffles me. Okay, so still, guys, I get people messaging me all the time saying, Vanessa, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. Poshmark does allow cross-posting, you're wrong, you're wrong. And we still haven't officially gotten to the bottom of it. You know, I was waiting on Casey, Rockstar Flipper, because he said he had a contact at Poshmark that was going to tell him the final answer, but he hasn't heard anything, so I'm not going to hold my breath on that one. And we get conflicting emails from people at Poshmark, and it is so annoying because, like, we just want to know, is it allowed or not? Like, I honestly couldn't care less. I just want to know yes or no. Like, just give me a definite answer. Yeah, I don't know when we'll get to the bottom of it. I don't know. But if I do hear something, I will let you guys know. But again, I get messages all the time. And it's annoying. I just want to know yes or no. Can't you just tell us yes or no? Like, why is that so difficult, Poshmark? Why? So that is it for this video. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I almost forgot what to say at the end. I need to go back to bed. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning.